Where you been? Running from things that you know. Just trying to find where to live, but it's not bringing you home.
Hi everyone, it's Rachel, and for today's video, we will be unboxing and reviewing the latest and newest tablet Samsung has to offer. It is the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. I have been testing this tablet for a week now, and I will be giving you guys my honest opinions and also thoughts regarding this tablet. But first, let's start by unboxing this one. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra packaging box is dominated by white. On the front of the packaging box, there is the writing Galaxy Tab with shiny light gray accents and an image of the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra device. The first impression when holding the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is its large size. In the box, there is only one Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra tablet in graphite color, one S Pen, USB Type-C to Type-C cable, one SIM card ejector tool, warranty card, and a manual sheet. So this is the S Pen. If you buy a Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, users will get a built-in digital pen, aka the S Pen stylus. You don't need to buy it separately, it is included in the box. You can attach the S Pen to the magnetic area above the right of the frame of the tablet. That way, the S Pen is not easily scattered and is still easy to reach when using a tablet. This premium Samsung tablet is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, and this chipset is combined with a 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra uses a 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x panel. The screen size is almost the same as a 15-inch laptop. This makes the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra Samsung's largest tablet today. With these dimensions and the flat edges of the frame, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra feels very thin and has a premium impression. It is actually thinner than my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The back of the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra tablet uses Armor aluminum material with a matte finish. Now let's move on with the keyboard. This freestanding book cover keyboard is without a doubt the most opulent keyboard case available. Unlike the folio case variant, this standing case has an integrated kickstand and a removable keyboard. It will make typing much more enjoyable for you and effectively transform your Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra into a kind of portable laptop. Mount your tablet with the book cover keyboard to increase productivity. I have been loving this tablet for a week now, and here are the things that really stood out to me or what I like about this tablet. First thing is its expandable storage. It can be expanded by using a micro SD card. The card slot supports all the usual standards up to 1 TB as well as the exFAT file system. Another thing that I like about this tablet is when I'm watching videos. The Tab S9 Ultra's enormous display makes it a great device for watching videos. This humongous and gorgeous 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x screen is no joke at all. Any movies we play from this tablet will definitely look 10 times better because of the vivid colors, excellent contrast, and brightness. These speakers are incredibly powerful.
Assemble.
The Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra screen also supports an adaptive refresh rate of as low as 1 Hz and as high as 120 Hz. This allows the tablet to adjust the display to a refreshing rate as low as 1 Hz for static content. Meanwhile, with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, and it feels smooth and fluid. Next up is the Vision Booster. This specific feature enhances the screen's visual in direct sunlight by dynamically adjusting the color tones. Next up, how water resistant and dust proof this tablet is. One of the big updates that the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra brings is water and dust resistance. This tablet and its built-in S Pen stylus are IP68 certified. This means that the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra and S Pen can survive in water with a maximum depth of 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Next thing that I like about this tablet is air actions. So air actions themselves are commands with certain gestures without touching the screen. So you can just swipe left, swipe right, swipe up, or swipe down. And the air actions that can be run via the S Pen may vary depending on the application being run. For example, when you play or pause a video or adjust the volume, take photos, and a whole lot more. It depends on the application that you are using. So next up is one of my favorite things I like about this tablet is the Samsung DeX. One of the best multitasking features found in tablets in the S series is Samsung DeX. With the help of the DeX, the tablet becomes a computer that is simple to operate with a mouse and keyboard. DeX mode is Samsung's feature for desktop experience. You can use this functionality to see your tablet's app on a computer monitor as several windows. You are free to rearrange, resize, or choose any applications that you want. And this is my number one favorite. It is multitasking. Split screen allows you to run up to 3 programs simultaneously and flexibly resize each one. Additionally, One UI allows you to add an additional app to a floating window that appears on the top, allowing you to have up to 4 apps open at once on the screen. I don't frequently wish to multitask as much on my tablets. There are definitely situations where I might. You guys, it will definitely help if you're a multitasker. Next is editing. As a content creator myself, this tablet is such a big help in my graphic design and also video editing. Whether it is for YouTube videos, TikTok, or Reels on Instagram, this tablet exceeded my expectation regarding the video editing. It was so smooth and I didn't experience any lag. If you are still a student and want to start as a content creator, I think this tablet is a must-have since you can use it to your schoolworks and also do content creations at the side instead of buying a separate laptop or a desktop. And the last thing that I like about this tablet is taking notes. Samsung Notes is actually one of the best features and most underrated application that you need in this tablet. The Samsung Notes is a paperless digital note-taking app where you can import documents, take notes, and use your digital planners. With the use of the S Pen, you can scribble and draw whatever you like, may it be your drawings or when taking notes, if you want your own handwriting, you can do those things. Is arguably the best Android tablet you can buy right now. The exquisite hardware and smart software combine to make this almost a 2-in-1 laptop that happens to run on Android instead of Windows. You can work and play beyond limits with the use of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye!